Hello, whether you are in 8th grade or ninth grade, we are going to be doing a review today. Both of them are on quizzes. You'll go to the assignment, 8th grade or ninth grade, same spot. We only have 2 days of school before break. Let's take them seriously. Here's day 1, Earth History Review. You review a game. You'll click on the link, enter your name, play the game. You have to do it at least once. Make sure, again, you put your first name on there so that I know that it's you that's taking the exam or the quizzes review game, whether you are in 8th grade or ninth grade. And then whether you are in 8th or ninth grade, we will be doing our test on Tuesday. I am debating whether I will open it early so that you can start your break early if you are at home. The exam is going to be both multiple choice questions and extended response. No matter what grade you're in, you'll have both of those. You are encouraged to use your notebooks, whether they be an electronic version, so I hope you've kept up with all your pictures of your notes you've been taking or your documents that you've been doing. You may also, for this exam, do it with a partner or partners. If you are home tuning in electronically, that means FaceTiming them or calling them on the phone while you do it or doing a Google Meet with them. That is fine. Let's get this exam done and start our break. Okay, have a great day, guys. I will miss you. I hope you have a happy holidays. If you need me, you can email me. Pay attention again to that policy that we put into place on October 13th that all assignments will close 14 days after they are assigned. If you are somebody who keeps up with their daily work, this isn't something that you need to pay attention to particularly. But if you are someone who is struggling doing your online work every day like you are being asked to, then you definitely want to pay attention. They are closing. I will not reopen them if they are locked. There's a little caveat though. If you email me before December 3rd giving the exact name and the name of the assignment, exact name as it is on Canvas that you would like unlocked, I will unlock it for you. All of those unlocked assignments then are due on December 9th, not to be unlocked again. If you don't take advantage of this opportunity, again, another carrot thrown your way, then there's not much that can help your grade. You are in charge of your own future. Good luck. Goodbye.